Lately, I've been feeling frustrated, exhausted, and overwhelmed. Not because I don't love creating, but because staying consistent is harder than people think. Finding ideas is not easy. Showing up every week is not easy. Creating value when you are still building, that's not easy at all. So, before anything else, let me say this. If you are a creator trying your best to stay consistent, you have my respect. Because now I truly understand how hard this journey is. Hello my supporters, my name is Cyprien. I'm a filmmaker and content creator based in Rwanda. And welcome to Cyprien Films. This video won't be long for entertainment. This video is personal. Today, I want to share what I've been experiencing over the past months. And more importantly, I want to involve you what comes next. So please watch till the end because this video is not just about me. It's about us. Over the past few weeks, I've had time to sit with myself and think deeply. And one thing became very clear: consistency is not just about discipline, it's about ideas, energy, and clarity. You can want to be consistent, but if you don't know what to create next, you feel stuck. If you are not a content creator, you might not fully understand this pressure. But if you are, I am 100% sure you know exactly what I'm talking about. That moment when you ask yourself, what should I create next? Will this help people? Will this be worth the effort? That mental battle is exhausting. Here is something important I realized. What I need from you is not views. It's not likes. What I truly need is connection. I don't want to build the content alone. I want to build it with you. And that's what I want to do here. As a filmmaker, my dream is not just to upload videos. It's about to build something meaningful. So, I came up with an idea to start creating short films and teach how they can be made on a small budget. Because the budget is one of the biggest traps for creators. Many people think I will start when I have better equipment. But what if we start with what we already have? That was my mindset. I didn't want high budget productions. I didn't want rented gear. I want to create using my camera, my light, my skills, my effort, nothing more. And for acting, I chose the best option I had, my wife. One character, one location, one story. Simple. Technically, everything was clear. Production solved, equipment ready, actor ready. But then came the hardest part: story. Not just any short film, but a story that adds value, fits my channel, can be done with one character and one location, still feels meaningful. That's where frustration started. Because creating one short film is easy, but creating valuable content consistently, it's not. I reached the point where I asked myself, why am I struggling alone when I have a community? And the answer was simple. I need your help. Not because I'm weak, but because I respect you. I truly believe no creator grows alone, and my journey wouldn't exist without your support. So here is the deal. I want your ideas. In the comment, tell me short film ideas or topics that can work with one character, my wife, one location, one budget. You don't need to write a full script, just an idea or theme. Give me 3 or more ideas if you can. Here is what I will do next. I will pick 3 ideas. I will make a video explaining why I chose them. I will develop the stories myself. I will credit you in the video. Your name will appear in the final short film credits. This is not just my project, it's our project. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for believing in this journey. Your participation means more than views. more than numbers. If this idea excites you, please comment your idea, subscribe for updates. Let's build something real together. See you soon. Peace.